Copy, I'm in. Let's go, let's go! Higher gun up!
Box is up, box now, let's go.
Copy, box now.
Right side clear.
Tandem!
We can now use Google Veo 3.1 latest version in higgesfiled AI and Sora 2 Pro also. Let's talk about what are the upgrades.
Now, we can try out the latest upgrades of Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 right here on higgesfiled AI. Both tools have received major improvements, and today, we'll see how they perform side by side. We all know that Veo 3 is well known for its compatibility with human faces and its ability to create ultra-realistic videos. This video you're watching was created using the latest Veo 3.1, which takes realism and detail to an entirely new level. When selecting a model, you'll find all the latest AI video generation models available here, including Sora 2, Veo 3.1, and more. Now, I'm going to create a video using the same image and the same prompt in both Sora 2 and Veo 3.1. This will help us clearly see how each AI model interprets the same input and what differences appear in the final results. Veo 3.1 delivers its results within just a few minutes, while Sora 2 takes a bit longer to process the same prompt. The difference in speed is noticeable, but both models aim to provide high-quality video output.
Elevate. Refresh. Recharge.
This video was created using Veo 3.1, and now let's see what kind of results we get from Sora 2 using the same prompt.
Elevate, refresh, recharge.
I think Sora 2 performs better when creating advertising videos with just a short prompt. However, these AI models handle prompts differently. When you provide a high-quality, detailed prompt tailored to a specific model, you can achieve even higher quality videos and more accurate results. What do you think? The Veo 3.1 upgrade is incredibly accurate and can turn even your most imaginative ideas into realistic videos. It's designed to bring your creative visions to life with impressive precision. We can now create videos in 1080p, so there's no need to worry about low-quality output. Both Sora 2 and Veo 3.1 are capable of delivering crisp, high-definition videos for any project. These cool videos were created with Veo 3.1, and it comes with some impressive upgrades. Cleaner audio, noticeably improved, studio-like sound in your video renders, prompt control, better adherence to your instructions, especially with structured prompts. Image to video. Easily create character-driven motion, including realistic people and animals. HD quality. Supports both 720p and 1080p with crisp detail, improved from the previous Veo 3 version. Short form ready. Up to 2 scene cuts in just 8 seconds, making it perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and other teasers. Now let's talk about Sora 2. Sora 2 excels at creating short films and advertisements, making it ideal for projects that need cinematic storytelling or promotional content.
Do you desire the power of a thunder god? This is Valhalla Sense! Unstoppable confidence in a can! 1 spray, frozen dominance, 2 sprays, legendary, 3 sprays, you ride a wolf!
Taco Bell. The crunch. Share the shatter. La pureté. Together, we stand.
Here's what makes Sora 2 stand out. Unlimited generations. Create as many videos as you want with no caps, available to users globally. 1080p cinematic video generation, fully powered by higgesfiled. Sora 2 Pro adds multi-scene reasoning and advanced narrative coherence for more complex storytelling. Audio-driven synchronization, perfect lip sync, natural voice, and music alignment for polished results. Uncensored global access. No region locks or limitations. Seamless integration with tools like Soul, Nano Banana, Product to Video, Kling, and Infinite Talk. Complete cinematic control, from scripting to fully directed professional quality output. Yo, don't wait. Try it out with the higgesfiled AI today. All the links are in the description so you can join and start creating amazing videos yourself. I've also made more videos about higgesfiled, so be sure to check those out. Links are in the description as well.
Big Six.
Thanks so much for
I love you,
watching.
buddy.
Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this. See you next time.